What's up, people? So we got something cool. Well, fun, I guess. Should be easy or fun, but a valve for my truck, because I've been having fuel issues. Like, it feels like it's defueling after I get on after a while, and I watch my pressure, and it's just literally, I would literally be at a stop sign or stoplight or whatever, and then there's one time where I was literally not even going that fast, and I just pressed on the gas, and it literally just like whomp and like died, and then it went back again. I was like, what the hell? And so I'm pretty sure, and just looking at my logs and my desired and fuel pressure on my CTS, I've been getting some codes, and so they say to just start with the cheaper things first and just work yourself up from there, because if this doesn't go good, then it's my fuel pressure regulator. And they said if your fuel pressure regulator is going out, then your CP3 might not be far, which I don't want that to happen. But also, too, another mistake I got, they forgot the O-ring, so I should be putting this in soon. But here's the valve, nice and shiny and wrapped up. So got a sticker. I guess you got to put that on your carb or whatever. Just a little sticker, 2 stickers. And then here are the instructions. So we're gonna move that, the lines, and then the glow plug module, 18mm wrench. Make sure you put the O-ring on, lubricate threads, sealing with petroleum jelly, reinstall 72 to 74 foot pans, reinstall brackets, and blah blah. So there's that. I can't install this today, so hopefully tomorrow or the next day, but sooner than later we'll get to it. Okay, here we go. We're gonna try to show you what it does. See, like how it kind of like jerks, like it's like losing something. I don't know how to explain it, but any other tune besides my Max, it doesn't do that. I don't know why, but here we go again. Like, it wants to go, but for some reason it just like cuts out, and then when I go to my CTS, it like is all over the place with the fuel. So I'm hoping it's not the CP3 or the fuel regulator, because that's a pain in the butt, and I don't want to deal with taking that pipe off again. That one EGR pipe sucks so bad. But yeah, I don't know, I'll have to figure that out. So this is the before video. Okay, so we're doing this. Sorry, it might be a little out of it, but so we got to remove that bolt there, and then one right there, and then one over here on this plug right there. Can't remember if it's 12 and 14 or 10 and 12. Find out in just a second, but we'll get that off. Okay, so got that off. This one is a 10. This one that holds the actual module is a 10, and then the plate is 12. So 10 and 12. So get that off. Move that to the side, and there she is behind that black hose. Right there. So I'm going to see if I can get into it or not. Let's see. Okay, guys, I got it out. I'm in a different place now because I didn't have no time. I was doing all my lunch, so I was like, can't do this. So I put it kind of back together, and now I'm doing outside, and I'm going down to an 18mm wrench, because this is what you need. You can't do it with the socket wrench. Take off the actual back thing is right there. So yeah, and hold on. And I got it in one try, which is amazing. I just pull on it a little bit harder. It wasn't that bad, but you take off that piece to get like an impact or socket, because yeah, mine didn't fit because I had to take all the stuff out. But yeah, hopefully yours is pretty easy, just like mine was, so it wasn't that bad. But let me get this out real quick. Okay, so we got the other one out. Here it is. Nothing too special. I got a new O-ring, so I don't need to worry about that. It's right here. We'll put that on there. They said to put a little bit of Vaseline on the threads, so we'll do that. Just a little. Oh, that's already there. You see, it looks like a little pinched, but yeah, here's the stock one. But let's get that in and tightened up, and we will start her up and see, make sure she works just fine. Well, she started. No leaks, nothing. So she's a good, and I guess I'll show you how it works, or if it did work. So we'll find out in just a minute. What's up, everyone? So we're back. Driving it now. We are seeing everything's driven it all day today, and I've noticed it's actually helped quite a bit. Not like a ton, but I can tell that it's definitely not defueling like it was. So it's been pretty nice, and I can go like get on it, and it will go. It will like doesn't want to stop. It doesn't go blah, and then goes again, and then goes blah, and then goes back again. But yeah, it will stay up there too. It will stay at like 25 instead of like all of a sudden go back to 17 and then go back up to 25. So it has helped. So I would say it's a good mod. I don't know, some people are like, oh, I didn't notice anything or whatever, but I did. So next thing I want to do now is either gonna buy the PPE ported valve thing or whatever, the plug, or just drill out mine. And I think it's an 1/8. I have to research it more, but yeah, we'll drill that out so the other side of the rail's good to go too. But yeah, that should be probably the next Fuel Easy mod. It's pretty much free. You just gotta get a belt tensioner tool, which I don't have, so it might be a minute, but we'll get her done. Don't worry about that. Might just do the drill thing first because it's free and cheap and whatnot. But yeah, thanks for watching. I like the mod. I don't know what else to say. But yeah, stay tuned. I got some more plans. Just gotta get some more of that money, and then we'll be good. But yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.